to your training, Sierra. In this basic exercise, you'll be required to engage and clear any targets in your path and make it to the end within 1 minute and 45 seconds. To detonate your breaching charge, hold down the primary fire button. To toggle your night vision goggles on and off, press the V key. Not bad, Sierra. Not bad at all. I can see why there's special interest in you. Mission accomplished. Seeing as this is your first mission in the field for us, we've assigned you a reasonably simple task. Something you should have no trouble with. We need you to clear out this safe house known to support various militia members. Good work. Satellite shows all hostiles are down. Area clear. Mission accomplished. It's been decided you're a good investment, Sierra. Time to prove your real worth. Your primary objective is to neutralize a bomb against the militia. We believe he's located somewhere on the second floor of this hotel. Intel suggests the target is in the next room. Ah, damn it. There's always something. You'll need to find a way to cut the power to the circuit board. Mission accomplished. Rope, go, go, go! From the information our sources have given us, the local militia have taken the RSA ambassador and his translator hostage and are holding them somewhere on the 11th floor. Your mission is to ensure their safety and eliminate their captors. Thermal imaging has confirmed the location of the hostages in the next room. Check your fire. Hostages secure. Good work, Sierra. Prepare for extraction. Mission accomplished. I'm in position. Sierra, listen to my marks and engage the targets I call for you. Take note of wind speed and direction, as this will affect the bullet's flight path. Take down the target furthest to the north. He's by the cargo truck facing west. Target down. The next target is standing by the two barrels beside the far building to the west. You may have to zoom in to get a better shot. Hit. He's down. Now look south. Take down the target leaning on the APC. Hit. He's down. The mark doing inventory on that truck seems to be occupied. Leave him be for now. Take out the target on the east side of the compound by the fuel station. Hit. Nice shot. Backtrack a little. Take down the target by the truck to the south. And he's down. Good night. Area clear. All targets eliminated. Good shooting, Sierra. Mission accomplished. Sierra. Here are your orders. Your primary objective is to capture Commander Errol Promachek alive. Do whatever it takes to get him back to us. We need him to be able to talk. Sierra, it is absolutely vital that Promachek does not escape. Intel suggests he's in the basement of the main bunker of the compound. Stay alert and check your fire. Damn it. This is the last room. Promachek must be inside. Watch your fire, Sierra. Remember, we need him alive. Nice work, Sierra. We got him. Mission accomplished. Extensive interrogation, Commander Promachek has given us the location of a major militia weapons cache here in Somalia. The removal of this asset should result in severely disadvantaging the local militia forces. Your objective is to plant base charges and destroy the cache. Sierra, get down. Listen to his firing. Engage when he's not firing. Well. Looks like we've hit the jackpot here. Getting rid of this will definitely slow the militia down. You know what to do. Alright, let's end this. Brilliant work, Sierra.